Let's get active for Al-Khair's Let's Warm Britain campaign in Leicester for a half-term fun day and football tournament on Saturday the 20th of February. Activities include a climbing wall, bouncy castle and indoor games. Shopping stalls for jewellery, mehndi and a beauty and pampering corner will be set up for the ladies. Freshly cooked Akhni, samosas and snacks with lots of specially baked Al-Khair cupcakes and doughnuts with a chocolate fountain for all. Special guests include the Leicester City Football Club's Community Trust team, who will be running a football tournament, coaching sessions, penalty shootouts, as well as a kickabout for the whole community, and the opportunity to win a trophy. Philbert Fox himself will be entertaining the crowds. Join us from midday at Moat Community College, Maidstone Road, Leicester, LE2 0TU. No entrance fee. For more information, call Imran Musa on 0785 594 3335 or 0116 273 3787.